If I had had these antecedent issues, and the a lady had come out some years ago to say it boldly that this man had pushed me to the wall and even said unpleasant things to me because I would not yield. And we have another case.
Should Akpabio step down as Senate President?
From what we have seen so far, he's not competent to hold the Senate. He's not competent. In terms of, he does not do some reading. He does not even study to understand issues. He's using the fiat of power, this absolute power. You see, there's a terrain you want to follow if you want to follow leadership. You look at the axis of decisions. Look at the simple antecedents. Look at the information is processing, the way it processes information, the way it solves problems. Problems are not only solved on the political basis, on sentimental basis, or basis of money. With time, we're going to see more of Akpabio. For me, he should be advised to resign, because I'm not sure the majority of Nigerians have confidence in him.